I have Sandip uh, Chawla, the head of global events for Go Dharmic. Sandip, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I know it's probably nighttime there, right?
Yes, it's already late evening for us, but thank you so much, Ron, for taking time and inviting me. I'm really looking forward to speaking with you today.
Great. Yeah, and I'm excited about the salt ride coming up. I wonder if you can first talk a little bit about Go Dharmic and the organization and kind of like what is their mission and purpose and the things that they do in the world.
100%. When I joined Go Dharmic, when I heard the name, I feel something that to go, what is moving, So that is our mission actually. When we say Go Dharmic, we wanted to spread compassion. But how? I mean, how we can do that? So it is actually how we can compassion in action. So whatever we do for the people, that should come with the love, with all the compassion towards all the human being, living being on this earth. So far, Godharmic have distributed more than 27 million food meals across globe. We have developed more than 108 schools in India. We have planted around 260,000 mangrove plantations in Sunderban areas. We have made saved a food wastage of about 1.2 million kg. So that is, and we have more than 10,000 volunteers who have helped us at more than 2 million volunteer hours. They have supported us, and we have been at 185, more than 185 disaster sites. Even Russia-Ukraine war, we were there supporting people. Right now in India, in North India, there was a heavy floods were there. So our team was there. We mobilized our team right and right there, because I believe when I say we are moving, when we ask people to support Go Dharming, actually at the other hand, we are supporting people there. So this is what Go Dharmic is all about. And I think when we are talking about the Salt Ride as well, which is a coming event, this all are connected. That when you are riding, you are supporting someone. We call it each pedal will help people. You know what you are going to do on this December.
I'm excited about the salt ride, and yeah, thanks for that lead in about Go Dharmic because so many people may not know what they do, and they really touch lives. They really, like you shared about the disaster aid in
Hmm.
northern India, and the number of trees. I was reading it was like was it 2 million trees or something by
Yeah.
2026? Yeah.
Yes, yes. That's what the very ambitious number, but we are going with it, and many supporters. And if even your audience or whoever want to come and visit such a places, when I'm saying this is happening, they can come and actually experience it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, so let's talk a little bit about the salt ride because I know I'm excited about that. I'm looking forward to visiting India. It'll be my first time there. And from what I understand, it's actually the same basic path that Gandhi did in was it 1930 during the Salt
Yes.
March? So can you share
Yes.
a little bit about the Salt Ride and is it still possible for people to sign up if they want to do it?
100%. It is still possible. We have few more spots left that they can take forward. But let me give you some glimpse about how what is actually a salt ride. So, idea, we believe in our principles, which is love, charity, kindness, friendship, and one of the core principle we follow is non-violence. And
Hmm.
Gandhiji, who made the Salt March, that is for the non-violence. He was been fighting against the heavy tax on salt at that time, and he has made a way of making this very iconic salt march for almost about 24 days. He was walking on the very interior part of Gujarat, and at every location he was keep getting more and more support of the people, and at the end, when he reached at the Dandi, which is that is the same route that we are going to follow. It is about more than 440 kilometers. That he did it on the feet. We are going to do it on a bicycle because in today's time we are very fast. But that too, we wanted to keep it very sustainable so that we can take a bike for 440 kilometers within 7 days. And when we say within 7 days, usually there are many cyclists who can do it even a 1 or 2 day itself, right? But this is not just a cycling ride. It is actually you can live India, you can visit India, you can feel India through that lens which no one able to give you through that, because we'll be going in such a small villages. Also, you'll be visiting such a places which where Go Dharmic we have developed such a schools in remote areas that all will be visiting. We'll be staying at Gandhiji where Gandhiji has stayed during his journey towards this. So it is so beautiful, very much same replica. You are living a legendary, iconic ride by
Hmm.
yourself, and I believe this is one of my favorite events. When I say I do take care of all the events at Go Dharmic, this is one of the most favorite of one of my favorite, because you are living something which is emotionally connected, spiritually connected. You are connecting with the history and the heritage and living all the principles of Go Dharmic, and you are also supporting the cause. So I think this is all and all trip for anyone who can join us.
Well, thank you, Sandip. And I'm excited about it. And yeah, the just the overall experience of being able to be in India, meet people, the fact that I don't have to bring my own bike.
No, not at all.
Yeah,
Everything will be taken care by India from our Go Dharmic team. Even we'll be having vegan food, Indian vegan food. I mean,
nice.
it will be a lovely experience.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the whole thing. I've never stayed in an ashram, so that's going to be new for me. And the fact that I don't have to carry the packs and the bags on my bike, your team supplies all the assistance for us, so we can just pedal on a regular bicycle. And
Yes,
and
it
the dis
all will be given. Yeah. Please.
yeah, and the distances are not bad. To me, I've had to do much more strenuous, activity and go longer distances. So this will work perfect. And yeah, and I want to encourage anybody else out there that may be watching this, you can still sign up. There's a couple spots left, and it would be wonderful if you're looking to experience India. If you're deep in your heart, you want to serve and help people, help Go Dharmic raise the funds that can in turn help people of India, help plant more trees, and just be for a very, very good cause. And I realize that as I do the math, because I see sometimes things are expressed in the currency of pounds, but I always go to Google and I change it to dollars, and I realize that just 20 pounds or 27 US dollars feeds an entire Indian family for a whole week. So just that, and I looked at the other one, which was 100 families for 100 pounds, which comes out to just a little bit over $134. That's amazing. So it's a great cause. And Sandip, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your team. I'm looking forward to being there.
We are really looking forward to welcoming you and your friends and all the support you are bringing, the positivity you are bringing, and with that, we are going to support many people. So I urge everyone who will be listening this, please support Ron's journey as well. And if you can join, please join. This is going to be one of the beautiful ride where you are also supporting the cause, like such a beautiful cause around.
Thank you so much. I will share the link for both Go Dharmic and the Salt Ride so people can get that information. And I'll also share the link that if anybody who wants to contribute to a worthy and a very, very good cause, and I will close by reading the last sentence in your email, which says, love all, feed all,
It all
serve
serve
all.
all.
Such a beautiful
Lovely,
cause.
lovely,
Thank
lovely.
you,
Thank
Sander.
you. Thank you, Ron. Thank you.